Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we venture into the extraordinary realm of biotechnology, where cutting-edge advancements and ethical considerations intersect. Biotechnology has opened new frontiers in medicine, agriculture and beyond, revolutionizing how we address global challenges. In this video, we'll explore the remarkable breakthroughs that have propelled the field of biotech forward and examine the ethical considerations surrounding its transformative potential. From genetic engineering to biomedical research, we'll unveil the wonders and complexities of biotechnology and its profound impact on our world. So, join us as we delve into this captivating journey of scientific progress and ethical reflections in the realm of biotechnology. Biotechnology is the use of living organisms to create products and materials. The most common type of biotechnology involves genetic engineering, which makes use of DNA manipulation to alter the genetic makeup of cells and organisms. Biotechnology offers many benefits, but also carries some risks that need careful attention. Biotechnology is a field that refers to the use of living organisms to create products and materials, such as pharmaceuticals. Biotechnology is a field that refers to the use of living organisms to create products and materials, such as pharmaceuticals. Biotechnology encompasses many different types of applications and research areas, including genetic engineering and genetic modification. Biotechnology has many applications in the medical field. It is used in the production of pharmaceuticals, such as insulin or other biological products, such as vaccines. There are four main types of biotechnology. Genetic engineering, recombinant DNA technology, cell-based technology, and bioinformatics. The most common type of biotechnology is genetic engineering, which makes use of DNA manipulation to alter the genetic makeup of cells and organisms. Biotechnology is the use of living organisms to create products or perform tasks. The most common type of biotechnology is genetic engineering, which makes use of DNA manipulation to alter the genetic makeup of cells and organisms. Genetic engineering uses a variety of techniques to modify organisms' genes, the strands that carry information from one generation to another, to produce desirable traits like improved flavor in food crops or resistance against disease in plants used for medicine production. For example, scientists have created genetically modified corn that produces its own insecticide so it doesn't need pesticides sprayed on it. They've also created rice strains resistant to flooding so farmers can grow their crops even when there are heavy rains, in addition to helping farmers deal with climate change, related issues such as drought and flooding caused by global warming, which may lead them not only lose money but also die. These innovations could help improve nutrition among people who eat these foods every day. As with any new technology, there are ethical considerations associated with any kind of innovation. The field of ethics is a very broad one, encompassing everything from personal ethics to business ethics to medical ethics. The main goal of this discipline is to help people make good choices by examining the moral values behind their actions. Ethical considerations are important for biotechnology because it involves creating new life forms and manipulating existing ones through genetic engineering. As with any new technology, there are ethical considerations associated with any kind of innovation. These include issues such as safety, environmental impact, and social responsibility. One ethical concern is the potential for abuse and misuse by rogue scientists or governments. Biotechnology is a powerful technology, and it can be used for good or bad. It's important to consider the potential for abuse as we move forward with research and development. Some potential examples of how biotechnology could be misused include creating new viruses that are more deadly than any that exist today, such as a virus designed to kill only people with an XY chromosome. Using CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing tools to create designer babies with specific traits like intelligence level appearance, athletic ability, or musical talent, or even more sinister traits such as sociopathy or racial purity, creating white supremacists. These examples show us why it's so important not only for scientists, but also society at large to think about these issues now before they become realities later on down the road after further advancements have been made in science beyond just CRISPR-Cas9 techniques alone. Some people are concerned that this could lead to a situation where super people are created who have special abilities, like being stronger than normal humans. Some people are concerned that this could lead to a situation where super people are created who have special abilities, like being stronger than normal humans. These super people would be able to do things like save the environment, fight crime, or even fix problems in your home. However, other people think that creating these kinds of super beings may cause more harm than good. They might think it would be too dangerous if there were people out there with extra powers and they didn't know how to use them correctly or responsibly. If you were given the chance to create your own version of a superhero based on science fiction movies like Fantastic Four and X-Men, what would yours look like? Would you make him strong enough so he could lift buildings? So, she could lift buildings. Or maybe fast enough so she could run across water without breaking through ice. Or maybe both. Another ethical issue associated with biotechnology involves whether or not it's right for humans to play God and interfere with nature. Another ethical issue associated with biotechnology involves whether or not it's right for humans to play God and interfere with nature. It's important to remember that nature is not perfect, but rather cruel and harsh, as well as kind and gentle at times. Nature doesn't always treat everyone equally. Sometimes people are born without limbs, or they live in poverty because they don't have an education or access to medical care. These circumstances aren't fair or just, but they exist nonetheless. And this fact alone makes it difficult for some people to accept new technologies like genetically modified crops, GM. As we conclude this enlightening exploration into biotechnology advancements and ethical considerations, we hope you've been intrigued by the remarkable strides made in this dynamic field. Biotechnology holds the key to groundbreaking discoveries and has the potential to transform our lives for the better. However, along with its promise come ethical dilemmas that demand thoughtful deliberation. If you found this video insightful and are passionate about the future of biotechnology, we kindly ask you to show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay informed about our upcoming content on the latest developments in biotechnology and the ethical considerations shaping its trajectory. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and together, let's embrace the wonders of biotechnology while navigating the ethical landscape with responsibility and foresight.